Now at noon, the COVID-19 vaccine rollout across the country. Officials are scrambling to speed up the distribution process. It's been weeks since the first shots were administered to Americans. Some of them are now getting ready to receive the second dose. This comes as the FDA rolls back comments saying anyone who receives the Moderna or Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine must get 2 full doses. The agency released a statement yesterday saying it has been following discussions and news reports on ways to stretch the vaccine supply. This included possibly reducing the number of doses, extending the length of time between doses, and cutting the dosage in half. But the FDA says that was premature because there is no data that suggests it is safe. Back here at home, the demand for the vaccine continues to grow. We know that many of you are trying to set up appointments only to find out that those slots have already been filled up. Channel 2's Kathy Hernandez takes a look at the vaccination process happening in Fort Bend County.
Good afternoon. Vaccinations here in Fort Bend County start today, but the county judge is asking for residents to remain patient. Some relief in Fort Bend County. It received its first shipment of 1,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine yesterday. It'll provide 500 people the necessary 2 doses. Fort Bend County Judge KP George sent us a statement saying, quote, "I am incredibly hopeful about the future as we continue to receive shipments of the vaccine." Vaccinations are set to begin today by appointment only. George said they would be given at multiple locations in the county, much like this testing site outside the county annex. 5,000 residents registered for the vaccine on the county's website yesterday. Now a message on the website says, quote, "We have reached pre-registration capacity." The county says it'll reopen once a significant number of registrants are vaccinated or they can get a large supply of the vaccine. With the demand far greater than the supply, Judge George added, "It will take time and we must all continue to wear masks, physically distance, and avoid gatherings for a few more months until we can vaccinate a large part of the population." We reached out to other providers. As for the 64 Kroger stores set to receive the vaccine, they have not yet received their supply. As for Randall's, some of them received their doses last week and this week, but they do say they're focused on phase 1A, which is healthcare workers. They are opening up a website so people can get updates. Reporting in Fort Bend County, Kathy Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.